Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a page end of the PDF document using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now select Organize option and select here Insert option. Now select Insert Pages and select here Page Range. I will choose All Page Range and Page Location. I will choose After and Last page. This is end of the document. Now select Browse option and open your folder. I'll insert this page number 3. Now select Open and select OK. And see this page now inserted end of the, and again I will insert another page after last page and browse. I'll insert this one. Now select OK and open and see this end of the document. This page also inserted. In this way you can insert pages a document. Also you can insert blank pages. Click this insert option and select empty pages as this PDF document, last page, after and page number. I will add one page. Now select OK and see this. In this way you can add extra page, additional pages and blank pages you can add. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.